Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Catsell Create, and I am coming on with a video to show you what I will be putting in my giveaway. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna add more stuff on here, so it might not end up being this mailer. It might be a box. So let's see if my items that I want to actually put in here fit in here. I still haven't finished making them, and that's going to be a surprise for whoever receives them. So let me go ahead and start off and showing you what's going to be on my giveaway. I'm always looking for this, so I figured that somebody might be able to need or use this. Like I said, I'm always looking for something like this. It's a foamy tape, and I would love for the person that gets my or wins my giveaway to receive one of those. I also added one of these. I'm adding some glitter glue. I'm adding these post-it notes. I'm adding these stickers. I'm adding these cute stickers. I love these. I'm adding this paper pad. There you go. And let me go ahead and thought this was so cute. So there you go. And that's from there, from Recollections. I'm also adding this that actually goes with this paper pad. I did cut the edge because I did get these from California, so I ended up cutting the edge so I could travel and not have it all bulking around. I'm going to add these stickers. I'm going to add these pencil colors. Sorry, it's just open here, but they're not used. Everything is new. I'm also going to add this. I thought this was so cute. It's like a planner. And there you go. It comes with that. Okay. And I'm going to add this to that. And I'm adding these stickers. It's ABC stickers. So anyways, this is what's going to be in my giveaway for now. And like I said, I will be adding handmade items like those sets and stuff from me personally. And I am not going to show that because I want the recipient to be surprised, and hopefully they would like it. So I did want to show you, I don't know if anybody had a question in regards to the bag toppers. So bag toppers can be any, like what I was saying, like die cut, or if you punch, like hand punch it, something like this. Okay, this is a non-embellished bag topper. So these are a few that I received. You don't have to include the bag. It's fine if you don't include the bag, but just the bag topper itself. This is some that I received, and I thought this was such a cute idea. And there you go. And here are more that I had received on a swap. And for embellished, it could be anything like this. This is something I've created. And like I said, you don't have to include the bag, just a bag topper and, you know, whatever embellishment you would like to add on. And like I said, it has to be, or I would love it if it was your own style. Okay, and this is another example. Okay, so anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch this video, and hopefully you could enter my giveaway. And like I said, there's going to be more items added on to this giveaway. If I do receive at least 10 people that enter, I will add on another package. So thank you everybody for taking the time. I will leave the description, or the link of my giveaway down on the description below, and hope to hear from you, and hopefully you could join my giveaway. And do excuse my video from my giveaway. I was so nervous, and yeah, I guess it's stage fright, what you call it, where this person just can't think. Anyways, thank you everybody again, and new subscribers are always welcome, and you're also welcome to enter my giveaway. And thank you for all my other subscribers for your continuous support. Love you guys. Thank you. Hugs.